Future weapons of Indonesia. Sukhoi Su-35, national origin, Russia, role, air superiority fighter, status, unknown. Das Altrifle, national origin, France, role, multi-role fighter, status, unknown. F-16V Viper, national origin, United States, role, multi-role fighter, status, unknown. KFX or IFX, national origin, South Korea and Indonesia, role, stealth multi-role fighter, expected, in service 2026. MV-22 Block C Osprey, national origin, United States, role, transport helicopter, status, unknown. On July 6, 2020, the U.S. State Department announced that they had approved a possible foreign military sale to Indonesia of 8 MV-22 Block C Osprey. In situ Scan Eagle, national origin, United States, role, unmanned aerial vehicle, expected, in service 2022. Elang Hitam, national origin, Indonesia, role, combat UAV, expected, in service 2021 to 2022. Gauind corvettes, place of origin, France, type, corvettes, expected, in service 2023. Ivar Wheelfelt class, place of origin, Denmark, type, frigate, expected, in service 2023 to 2024. Skorpeni class submarine, place of origin, France, type, submarine, expected, in service 2023. 30 FFM destroyer, place of origin, Japan, type, destroyer, expected, in service 2022 to 2024. Harimau MMWT, place of origin, Turkey and Indonesia, type, modern medium-weight tank, expected, in service 2021. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.